Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I am Nidhi, and today in this video we will be unboxing and seeing what I received in my June Glamego box. So it's been quite a time I have ordered Glamego, and this time I really found this box to be really interesting and I really wanted to give it a try and buy it. So I got this in my mail. So yeah, I just removed this tape, so let's see how everything looks. So I just removed the box and this is how the box looks like. It's very nice. The packaging has changed a lot. The box has become very sturdy and very useful. Like, it has magnet over here to open the box, and it's really very nice to use it like after removing the products as well. So yeah, let's just see one by one what all I have received. So the first I can see is this Sephora collaborating with Portray, and it is 1 month radiance challenge. So there is a face serum in this box, so they are saying us to apply it for 1 month for bright and radiant skin. So yeah, this is the first, and then we have this pamphlet with brands and its its cost and everything. So the first and the star product is this Portray face serum. This is 15 ml of the serum, and there is something like a leaf note or something about an active ingredients, and so you can see, I will close up. So active ingredients and everything, direction to use and all are written over here. So let's see by opening how it looks. So it's a cream based serum, so I'm not taking it out completely. So it's an aqua rich serum enriched with virgin cold pressed oil, herbal blends and innovative molecules, which helps to brightens the complexion and reduces fine lines. So yeah, I'm excited to try this by Portray. So this is their star product and it is worth ₹1,670. Then I got a eyeshadow for which I am really disappointed. It's broken. So I would write a mail to them, but I don't know if they would be replacing it or not. So this is the second product and this is worth ₹250. There would have been two choices, a kohl product or organic kajal. I chose with the eyeshadow because I had lots of kajal. Then the third is this organic harvest sunscreen all skin type dual protect outdoor indoors SPF 16. So sunscreen is something we are supposed to apply even if it's not sunny outside. So yeah, it's very useful. And then I got is this hair cream oil from Parachute. So we just have to apply it like on our hair before 30 minutes of washing, and then just wash our hair, and yeah, we are good to go. It's lightweight cream cream formula is there. So you know, sometimes when you oil too much or when you oil and when you shampoo, the oil does not get removed from your hair. There won't be a problem in this oil, as the brand says. And then the last is a Pee Safe sample product. So this is panty liners, aloe vera. I guess it's made with, or it has something to do with aloe vera. So yeah, this is a sample product from Pee Safe. So yes guys, these are all the products which I received. I wished this would have not been broken. Rest all are perfectly fine. And yes guys, this is it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel, that means a lot. And it's for free and it will mean a lot to me. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye.